Trying to find new, exciting ways to turn your computer and internet usage into money can be a tough job. We spend tons of time looking at our screens, and while you might think it's a waste, it can be anything but. You can turn that screen time into something valuable, real easy, from the convenience of your laptop or mobile device, and start making money today. Welcome back to I Publish Ghostwriters, where we're here to help you save money and start new streams of income from the comfort of your home. It seems too good to be accurate, but people are out there offering ways to convert your screen time into real money, as easy as linking your PayPal to their services and helping web and app developers with feedback. Today, we're going to get into some platforms you can use to make money online in your spare time, going step by step on how to sign up for these platforms and set yourself up. Without further ado, let's get into it. Userlytics.com. Userlytics is a remote user testing platform. Companies and developers optimize their consumer journey, user interface, and overall experience. All you need to do is complete a short form, interact with a website or mobile app, and answer a few questions. It can be fun if anything, and you can convert the time you're spending scrolling through your timeline a little bit each day into something that can make you money. Signing up is super easy. You agree that you're over the age of 16 and you agree to their terms and input your email into the page. Once you get the email from Userlytics, you'll be led to a sign-up page, asking all the essential information to help identify you: name, country, date of birth, as well as account creation information. Userlytics is mainly available in Europe and North America, but they've begun to branch out in South Africa, Southeast Asia, Japan, China, and other places around the world. It is available on both PC and Mac platforms, as well as up-to-date mobile phones. All you need is a standard browser, microphone, and in some cases, a webcam. As you complete a series of tasks and following instructions, you're interacting with a prototype or production website or mobile app so that developers can get a better idea of how customers will interact with this digital product. It is an invaluable set of information for those companies. And all the while, you'll find how easy it is to make anywhere from $5, $10, $15, or even $90 per test. Userfeel.com. Userfeel is the other platform doing much of the same thing. If you have a spare 10 to 20 minutes per day, you could be making an easy $10 per test. You're just conducting usability tests on the websites and helping the site owners find and handle usability issues. No purchases are necessary. You're simply clicking through their sites and offering valuable feedback and information for their product and web services. All you need to do is sign up for their testing program with all your basic information: name, email, birth date, identifying information like gender, language, and a few other things. And with this, you create an account. Once you pass the qualification test, you'll be eligible for tests to be sent. You'll get notifications of orders, though you choose to take on the tasks you want or not. That way, you can make money on your timetable, whenever you have free time. All you need is an up-to-date smartphone or computer, and the platform provides plenty of instruction to get started and make sure you're making money. These teams need your feedback. It may not be guaranteed, but eventually the opportunities will come. It may not be consistent as a passive income, but when they do come, you'll be able to make a little extra pocket change in exchange for your free time. Don't you think that it's worth it? These platforms work no matter where you are or what your lifestyle is like. If you can carve out an afternoon or even just an hour or two, you can be making money on the side. If you like this video, make sure you check out the other videos on my channel. We're always looking to provide you with ideas, techniques, and advice to help you make more money, be it through an online business or streams of passive income you can create on a dime. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications to never miss out on a single video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.